Hi. Here's a short English conversation set in a shopping context.
Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend. Could you suggest something?
Of course. What does your friend like? We have a variety of options.
She loves reading and is also interested in gardening.
In that case, how about a book on gardening? We have a few that are really popular.
That sounds like a great idea. Can you show me where they are?
Sure, follow me. Here they are. This one, Gardens of the World, is a bestseller.
It looks perfect. I will take it. How much does it cost?
It's $25. Would you like to have it gift wrapped?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Great, I'll take care of that. Will you be paying by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Please follow me to the cashier. Here's your gift wrapped book. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day too.